Hello everyone, this is Harry Gill and this is part 5 of the functional programming, which is chapter 15 in the book. In the previous 4 parts, we have seen all of these functional interface in detail, and in this part we will see unary operator and binary operator functional interface. So unary operator and a binary operator are just special cases of function and bifunction. And we will see in the example shortly. So let's jump into IntelliJ. Let's have a look at the definition of unary operator interface. As you would notice here, the unary operator interface is extending function. So essentially, unary operator is actually a function, just a special type of function. And that speciality is that function is something that takes in a type and could return a different type back, but the unary operator will take a type of object in and the return will always be of the same type. In the function they could be different, but in unary operator they will always be same. And unary operators can be used in unary operations like increment, where we give it an integer, it increments it by 1 and return the incremented integer back. So I'm going to write a unary operator of the type string, and in the lambda body I'm simply changing the case of the string and returning it back. So return of the lambda is also string, so we can use this lambda as a unary operator. I'm going to write same unary operator using the method reference. And now I'm going to use both the unary operators and apply them to the word Java. And I'll save and run the program. And as you would expect, the return of both U1 and U2 is capitalized Java word. And since unary operator extends function, unary operator does have all the default methods that are present in the function. For example, and then. We could use and then in unary operator as well. Now let me clean up the space and let's have a look at the binary operator. Just like unary operator is a special case of function, binary operator is a special case of bifunction. Bifunction is something that takes 2 inputs. Binary operator also takes 2 inputs, just that both the inputs has to be of the same type and the return is again of the same type. So for example, the lambda that we will write will take 2 strings as input and return will also be of the type string. Binary operator can be used in the use cases where you want to say add 2 numbers. So an integer plus integer will give an integer, and adding 2 floating numbers will return you a floating number. Binary operator do have 2 extra default methods, min by and max by. So min by will just return the minimum of the 2 and max by will return the maximum of the 2 values based on the comparator that is provided in the method. I'm going to write a binary operator of the type string. So which means it will have 2 inputs, both of the type string, and the return again will be a string. And the implementation that I'm going to write in the lambda body is to concatenate the 2 strings, and we'll return the concatenated string back. And now I'm going to write the same binary operator using the method reference way. And now next up, I'm going to execute and print the output of these binary operations. So in the first one, I'm going to give Java and world as inputs. And in the second one, I'm going to give hello and world as inputs. Now I'll save and run the program. And as you would expect, the output is Java world and hello world. So the main point is BinaryOperator takes 2 strings as input and returns the output as string as well. That is all for unary and binary operator. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you haven't done yet, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you get notified for my upcoming functional interface videos. Until next time, bye-bye.